Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on one-step equations. One-step equations are the simplest to solve. Solve each of the following equations. Now let's do this one and then we can see why it's called a one-step equation. So the equation is m plus 5 equals 8, and we have to find the value of m to make this equation true. Because that's a plus sign there, in order to keep the equation balanced, we subtract 5 from both sides. So m plus 5 minus 5 equals 8 minus 5. Those plus 5 minus 5 cancels out, and 8 minus 5 is 3, so m equals 3. The reason this is called a one-step equation is this is the only operation we do. We subtract 5 from both sides. No other operation is required. So it's one step. Number 2, w minus 7 equals 11. Because that's a minus sign, you add 7 to both sides. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. That's why we add 7 to both sides. So w minus 7 plus 7 equals 11 plus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 cancels. 11 plus 7 is 18. So w equals 18. And you can see that 18 minus 7 equals 11. And again, we only performed one operation where we added 7 to both sides, and that's why this is a one-step equation. Number 3. 3k equals 21. That's 3 multiplied by k. Now the inverse of multiplication is division, so we divide both sides by 3 because of that 3 there. So 3k over 3 equals 21 over 3. We've done the same operation on both sides, and that keeps the equation balanced. The 3's cancel, because 3 over 3 is 1. So that side gives you k. There it is there. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So k equals 7. And the only operation we performed was that we divided both sides by 3. One step. Finally, h over 6, which is h divided by 6, equals 4. Now, the inverse operation of division is multiplication, so we multiply both sides by 6 because of that 6. So h over 6 multiplied by 6 over 1, okay, equals 4 times 6. So we multiplied both sides by 6. That keeps the equation balanced. The 6's cancel, which leaves you with h, and 4 6's are 24, so h equals 24. So each of those 4 examples are called one-step equations because we only have to perform one operation on both sides in order to solve each equation. That's why it's called one step.